ACER Dynamic-1340G Precision Lathe. 11 great reasons to go ACER Dynamic-1340G. 1. All of headstock gears are made with chromium aluminum steel, hardened and ground to its accuracy. Oil-based lubrication system lubricates all running gears and bearings within the headstock. 2. 3 horsepower high-efficient motor for high torque output. 3. 1.5-inch bored spindle is made from medium carbon steel, and it is induction hardened and precision ground to guarantee spindle runout accuracy of 2/10. It also has a 2-point support with both taper roller bearings for heavy cut. 4. Universal gearbox offers a wide range of cutting capacity. All ranges can be reached by moving 2 levers and turning 2 rotary dials. 5. Hardened and ground with Tersite B bedways are Rockwell C55 and precision ground cross slideways. 6. Automatic feeding and threading in apron are fully interlocked to prevent simultaneous engagement of both functions. Both functions are equipped with safety overload device. 7. Keyed 1 7/16 diameter 4-inch length quill with inch and metric graduation is hardened to Rockwell C55 and ground to its inspection accuracy. 8. Machine comes with heavy duty and large sheet metal stand and Mehinite FC30 cast iron extra wide 7.5-inch bedway. Weighs 1380 pounds, heaviest in its class. 9. Simple laid out electrical wires are color coded and numbered, easy to maintain and easy to fix problems. A safety 24-volt control voltage is standard to ACER Dynamic Lathe. 10. Front side removable type chip pan and foot brake are standard. 11. ACER offers the best standard accessories. They include 1. 6-inch 3-jaw chuck. 2. 8-inch 4-jaw chuck. 3. Steady rest. 4. Follow rest. 5. Micrometer stop. 6. Halogen light. 7. 4-way tool post. 8. 10-inch faceplate. 9. Built-in cooling system. 10. Full-length splash guard. ACER builds small precision engine lathes to provide the best solution for your tool room precision turning application. We start with the most basic foundation for a machine. Heavy duty enlarged Mehinite casting bed with a heavy sheet metal stand. To resist flex and damp vibration, everyone is thoroughly inspected prior to machining to ensure it is free of flow. Machine is equipped with 3 horsepower continuous motor to provide high torque and with 2 taper roller bearings for your heavy duty turning. All bedway are hardened and precision ground to ensure accuracy and long life of machine usage. Quality is our #1 job. ACER, name says it all. All ACER lathes are backed up with the best service nationwide dealers network. ACER keeps an extensive parts inventory in stock at California and New Jersey's warehouse for immediate delivery. Check on our price for these quality precision lathes. You will be surprised how affordable it is. Join with hundreds of ACER Dynamic-1340G lathe happy users. We hope your next lathe will be ACER.